Right, so gold, we are on the monthly. We have the gold here, the monthly chart. The monthly chart, we can see that is quite bullish. So we don't have sign against, only bullish. All right, so I will just put the Fibonacci extension of the previous leg. So the previous leg started from here, went so the higher low went to the higher high, and then I will just put the correction, and I will just give me the targets for the buys and where the price can make like a correction. Okay, so this is what I have here, and clearly that what do we have? Do we have the 361 Fibonacci extension on this level on 5,323? Price went a little more up with the wick, but still I can see here that this level for the moment holds. Then if I'm gonna go on the weekly, so the weekly I can see clearly on the weekly that is gonna finish possible today with a shooting star. So the shooting star, what give me the shooting star clues that is really possible, and a lot of chances that the correction may start from this zone, and they can go much lower. So the correction is really possible for the gold that start to see more sales on gold for the next weeks. Okay, if I'm gonna go on the daily I can see I don't have signs against, still I'm bullish. But if I'm gonna put again Fibonacci extension on the previous leg, so the previous leg it was this one from here to this side. So again I will just do the same thing. So from the higher low to the higher high, I will just put and the correction that went to the higher low, and then it's gonna give me again the extension of this leg, so the last leg. And clearly here I have the Fibonacci extension of 127.2. So I will just put in this one that went to the 5,519. So this one was here, and clearly I have quite a lot of resistances around 5,500. Yeah, so this is the level to watch, supposed to watch from before. So now it's really possible that we're gonna have a correction. Okay, I will just delete the Fibonacci extension now. So this one, and I will just delete and this one. And then what I'm gonna do, I will just put the Fibonacci. Let's put from the monthly. We'll just put the Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci retracement now from our level from here when it started the monthly bullish. So the monthly bullish trend, I will just put it at the week, and then we're gonna have the target that we for the sales. So the first target for the sell is gonna be around this level, 4,500. So here we have quite a lot of buyers around this zone. So here this is gonna be our first target for the sales on gold. If we're gonna go then on the 4 hours, let's see what we have on the 4 hours chart. The 4 hours chart was overbought already. If we're gonna close today below 8 EMA, that is gonna mean that it's possible that we're gonna have 2 waves correction. So we're gonna have 1 wave correction and then the second wave, and from that second wave it's really possible that then after only that we're gonna go higher to the 6,000 level on gold. For the moment I can see the bearish pressure is on. It's quite really hard to mess with the buys here. I believe more sales. The only thing that is another thing that I can say here, just to complete the bearish divergence on the 4 hours chart, the price what can do, it can go around this zone, and from there to make one more higher high, and it's gonna be like a false breakout to the upside. And then when we're gonna have the bearish divergence completed, then we're gonna have a massive move to the downside. For the moment I have the target, the first target that I have here is around this zone that the price is now. So this one's supposed to be the first target for sell, and if this one is gonna hold, possible to have a correction, and then again a lot of chances to see one more leg to the downside. So yeah, gold is actually quite is getting a little by little not so strong anymore, the bullish side, especially that on the weekly we're gonna have the quite like shooting star, and the shooting star is gonna give me like a lot of clues that it's really possible that the correction is already getting to start. So yeah, So the gold, you know, this is the my analyze on gold for the moment.